Dubai Safari Park is an eco-friendly park located in Warqa 5 on the Hatta Road, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The park's major source of energy is solar energy. It has 2,500 animals from more than 250 species and planning to increase the animal number to 5,000. The old Dubai Zoo was replaced to Dubai Safari Park. It consists of 12.8 million square feet of area and opened on December 12, 2017 but closed for renovation and improvements in May 2018. The park consists of 6 major areas, namely Explorer Village, Arabian Village, Asian Village, African Village, Wadi Village, and Kids Farm.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are here in Dubai Safari. So there are two types of tickets here, the 50 dirham and the 85 dirham. So we get the 85 dirham. So what are the inclusions of the 50 dirham? So in 50 dirham you can access the Asian Village, the African Village, Arabian Village, the Kids Farm. The fifth one is the Wadi and the Explorer Village. In Explorer Village, it includes the bird shows, the giraffe platform, and the hippo aquarium. While in the 85 dirham package, the additional only is the drive-through discovery to the safari exhibit, and they will take you via safari bus. And it will take around 30 to 45 minutes and you will see a lot of animals there, dangerous animals. Better to get this 85 dirham package so you will have a lifetime experience. So without further ado, let's do this and explore the place. Come on!
Since we already booked a ticket via online, so we just go directly to entrance and we check our ticket printout.
Hey guys, we will take this train and it will take us in the African Village if I'm not mistaken, or Asian Village. Well, I don't know. So we are in the queue right now. Hey guys, so we are now in the bus and it will take us in the African Village.
I could be the best thing in your life.
Hey guys, so we will enter now in the African Village. So come on, let's go.
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the.
Since it's super hot here, so they have this one, and it's really helping us to feel comfortable. When you're on the way to the Dubai Safari exhibit, so they have this trolley area here, so you will leave your trolley here. It's just put here. Okay. Bye trolley.
Best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Hey guys, when you get the 85 dirham package, so this one is the inclusion of it, except the other inclusions. So we are in the bus right now and it will bring us to the safari exhibit. So it will take us around 45 minutes and let us enjoy this journey. Is the hippopotamus. Oh, it's moving right now.
It will come up. So I can see on the right, you see? You see?
Yes, no. Yeah, look.
Yeah, again. It's phone-based. You see, when one leg is standing on the right. Yes.
See, we're not running.
They are sensitive, they scary, you know, they are very scary also. Now we are moving on
Next
to Makkah.
stop
You see they are
is
lost.
the baboon area.
Alright. Please prepare your passport. We are going to Africa. Five chicken egg is one ostrich egg.
Oh, really? Who is this ostrich?
Yes, too much here.
So right now we are on the way to the lion area.
Gentlemen, welcome to Khali Wali Wala. See, I said, sleeping.
See you. Rhino area.
On your right, white rhino.
So we are on
Okay,
the way
on
to
your
the
right.
crocodile
On the left, now we're gonna see.
area, Nile crocodile area. Hey guys, so we are on the way to the tiger area, and these tigers are from India and Bangladesh. So let's go and watch them. Oh my god, it's so big!
This is so beautiful, my God.
So beautiful! Meron tiger! Okay, so we are on the way to the cheetah area.
There is two black lines.
Cheetah!
That is their sunglasses. If they hunt, they don't get disturbed by sun.
Hey guys, so we're on the way to the Explorer Village. Come on, let's go.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take.
Well done. Alright, they have support these giant birds. Well, they come to fish farms and steal.
Keep distance, everyone. Hi guys! Did you enjoy our trip? Yes!
Drive, take a drive. Way, oh, way, oh.
So we are out of time and the zoo is closing. Our time is not enough to explore the whole park. I can show you only the outside view of Arabian Village.
Thank you for watching guys. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and leave a comment. Bye for now!